Welcome back wanderers sa ating Davao Tour. I hope napanood ninyo yung ating first day dito. Today is our second day at dadaling ko kayo sa mga tatlong places namin pinuntahan. Unang-una dito ay ang Sonnenberg. This destination offers a mesmerizing experience where visitors will stand atop a verdant mountain 2,670 feet above the river valley surrounded by rolling hills. Sonnenberg Mountain View is not just an attraction where guests can visit, take photos, and admire the picturesque view. People can also book an overnight stay in their accommodation to fully experience the sea of clouds and the beautiful sunrise. The accommodations are simple and comfortable rooms with breakfast and a remarkable view. It's an immersive experience reconnecting visitors with the wonders of nature. Aside from that, the tourist attraction also offers a range of delicacies for you to enjoy. They offer drinks like pure tablea or chocolate drinks, native coffee, juice, iced tea, or bottled water. There's also kakanin or Filipino delicacy made out of rice that you can try, but this depends on the availability. This is called putumaya. The second place we went to is Jack's in the Sky. First, kailan natin bumili ng ticket para sa ating sightseeing tour. And you'll be glad to know that their offerings are not just child-friendly, they're also favorable to seniors and persons with disabilities. You usually have to hike up a slope to get to the park, but they have a golf carts to shuttle those who cannot. Ayos, diba? And since we got the sightseeing package, that includes entrance to the park and playground and a bottle of water, which is nakalimutan namin kunin. 4 sana yon, sayang. Sa buong taon, marami at iba't ibang klase ng bulaklak ang makikita dito.
Binili natin? Bumili ka ba na pumunta tayo?
Oo, yan yung ting. Nga pala, sama.
Forget it.
Ang ganda dito, no? Instagrammable talaga. So, dapat hindi nyo kaligtaan magpa-picture at mag-video. And we exactly did that. Welcome to Bemwa Farm. With an entrance fee of 50 pesos, roughly $1, you can enjoy the foggy cold weather and the charming scenery of their vast fertile land. And this entrance fee is fully consumable in their cafeteria. Just add cash if it exceeds 50 pesos. For 6 years, the farm has been growing variety of crops such as lettuce, herbs, and strawberries in the vast 7-hectare land. Yung mga taga dito sa parting Mindanao, hindi na kailangang pumunta sa La Trinidad, Baguio para kumuha ng strawberries and lettuce. Ma-experience yung picking because they already have it here. If you are lucky enough to visit the farm during their harvest season, you can buy hand-picked strawberries and other crops at their lowest price. You can also buy herb seedlings like mint, rosemary, thyme, and others. Unfortunately, nung pumasyal kami dito, hindi panahon ng strawberries. So, in-encourage kami na mag-pick na lang ng lettuce instead. But we declined the offer kasi matagal pa yung flight namin. By the way, meron din silang tindahan ng mga na-pick na mga vegetables na and mga pasalubong in case you don't want to pick your own vegetables. Dito lang yon. And that concludes our Davao tour. I hope napanood ninyo at nag-enjoy kayo sa dalawang videos natin. Thank you for always supporting Wandering Tiger. See you on our next video. Bye!